In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and reinstalling a motor mount. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reinstalling our engine mount. As you can see, this is the original equipment, and we're doing this for demonstration purposes only. This engine mount is showing some wear, however, it's not bad enough to actually throw away and call poor. What you're going to want to look for are tears between the body stud mounting surface and the engine bracket surface. As you can see, it's got rubber in here, which separates the two. That rubber absorbs engine torque and vibration. We're going to take and slide our motor mount down in position and install our very long body bracket bolt. This is the bolt, or the nut, that they use on the other side. The reason why they have it made like this is due to accessibility constraints. With all these lines running through here, you won't be able to get a wrench on there to service your motor mount. So they put this hook on here, so when you rotate it, it'll grab a hold of the side of the body and stop turning, so you can screw the bolt into the nut. I'm going to go ahead and slide it back here in the back and get it on there started. Now run it down as far as you can by hand. You may have to do some wiggling. And once you have it run down finger tight, you can go ahead and take your 1/2-inch ratchet and tighten it up. You're going to want to go excessively tight with your engine mount bolts. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of force on this. They are made of grade 8 hardened steel. And that is the proper way to reinstall your motor mount and install the motor mount to body bracket, bolt, and retaining clip.